Did you know that a child who does not read on grade level by third grade is 4 times less likely to graduate than their peers? Think about it. If a child is unable to read the directions for an assignment, they are not likely to be interested in that assignment. If they're not interested in it, they're less likely to complete it. Add poverty to that equation, then a child is 13 times less likely to graduate. The Dream Center of Tampa, located in Ybor City, was founded with these kids in mind. Our after-school programming is designed to help bridge the learning gap and address generational poverty. We do this by giving our youth experience, access, and training in the areas of life skills, sports, education, and the arts. A key component of the Dream Center is to empower our youth by exposing them to resources and relationships that will help propel them to their dreams. An old saying says that it takes a village to raise a child. Many of the youth we serve are plagued with poverty, broken families, and failing schools. These factors can contribute to hopelessness, low achievement, and low self-esteem. The truth is, if a child has access to 5 caring adults, they are more likely to overcome these difficulties and have a better chance to succeed both inside and outside the classroom. That's where you come in. Be one of their 5. Visit dctampa.org and click Get Involved to see how you can help a child rebuild their village today.